Hello guys, good to have you back for another video. So let's reset my car. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can enter the engineering mode of a Volkswagen digital climatronic or infotainment system, the MIB2. Let's start right away. First of all, have the infotainment system on, then press the menu button for about 5 seconds. Keep it pressed and you'll see this one. This is the surface mode. Go to start update, for example. Sometimes you can update it from here. This is the engineering mode. Don't do anything you don't know anything about. You can change things for the worse. So please do not do anything you don't know anything about. There are some menus over here: activation keys, version information. Let's see the version information. If you need an update, you'll see the current version of this back. Let's see what activation keys are. You can scroll through it to find out. Go back. The update. Let's see. Update media selection. You can update it from here, and then you can go to reboot to normal mode. Really quit engineering. Just to quit again. You'll see that it takes about 10-15 seconds to go back to the home screen of the infotainment system. I found this while I was searching for some stuff about the infotainment system, and I wanted to share it with you. I want to thank you watching my videos. Subscribe, leave a like if you like my videos, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.